Greetings, traders. It's Friday, April 16th, 2021, and I got a cherry bomb for you today. You can tell because there's a cherry right there. My Monday videos don't have those because we don't do cherry bombs on Mondays because we don't get them from Tasty Trade on Mondays. But you know what we also didn't get yesterday was a video from me. Sorry about that, but I did get my second vaccine shot, my Moderna shot, and it, let's just say it affected me. So I still feel like I've been hit by a baseball bat in this arm, way worse the second time. So if you're getting vaccinated out there, I feel you. It's about 24 hours. There's a little bit of fever action too. But anyway, hey, we're looking at FXE, which let's call it as it is. It's not very liquid. And we're going to be looking at the weeklies today. And normally I prepare the trade ahead of time, sort of cooking show style where the item is already baked, but not this time. So let's go into Thinkorswim and start cooking. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory, and I do want to thank you so much for joining. If you stick around to the end, that's where I'll encourage you to join us, but I don't want to waste your time because, hey, your time is valuable. Time is valuable. And that's why we try to sell time here. That's what we did yesterday. That's what you can see here on screen. Yesterday's trade, even though I wasn't able to film it, I was able to put it on. EWZ, it's a strangle. Cool. Let's see what happens. Remember, this is unlimited risk, undefined risk. So, yikes, I get why these are not people's favorites. But we move on now to FXE. Let's go to the charts. Let's type in FXE and see what we've been looking at here. A nice strong run for several days, maybe 2 weeks even. Is it on its way back up to a high? I don't know. But we are seeing lower lows and lower highs. Although this one here, you could say reverse head and shoulders, maybe. Well, we're going to take a bullish position. We're going to risk one to make one. At least that's what we're looking at, right? We're going to be looking at a long call vertical. So let's head over to the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. And we're going to be in the not May monthlies, but May weeklies with 42 days to expiration. Scroll on down here to the At the Money. And let's take a look. We're going to be buying some calls. Let's see. Any open interest here at the 111 that nope. Let's see. Any open interest here? Oh, one. Okay. So maybe we will provide our own liquidity here today, folks. If we adjust our strikes, we might be filling each other. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and buy the 111. I'm going to go ahead and control left click on the bid for the 113. And here we are staring at a vertical here, a $2 wide vertical where we pay $1.03, let's call it $1, and we're risking $1. Of course, because this is what we're paying for it, but we could make about $1 too. With according to Tastyworks, a 68% probability of us taking off half of this profit in the next 42 days. And that sounds good. I'd be happy to take 25% of this profit and call it a trade. Thank you very much. So, I'm going to right click this trade. No, I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and to the risk profile. I lied. And we're going to go over here to the expiration, which I believe is the 29th. Yes, it is. It's right there. Let's move that expected move. Let's stretch that out a little bit there. Okay, and now let's set that price slice to break even at expiration. And we are looking at, look at this, better than 50% chance that this works out for us here on a long call vertical. I feel like normally this is our side. So it's nice to see that the probabilities are in our favor. So that's comforting. Also knowing that the P50 is in our favor as well. So now I'm going to right click this trade and review what I said about profit and loss. We could profit $97. Let's call it $1 or $100. All right. Hopefully we'll be taking that off at 50, anywhere between $30 and $50. It sounds like a good time to take that off if things are working out for us. And hopefully that'll happen quickly. Although my futures, it looks like the euro is, where are we, euro? Where'd you go? There you are. Oh, you're up. Earlier you were down. Up, not much, but 0.01. All right, so there we are. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders. And that's where I say to you, thank you. I give you a thumbs up. Thank you for making it this far into my video. It does help, and I appreciate that. If you feel that I have earned a thumbs up, I do always ask, would you hit that thumbs up button? Thank you so much. Hey, if you're new here and you want to learn how you can get involved and do these trades with us and get all the learning without all the risk, or hop into the flight simulator if you would, then stick around. I'll take a moment of your time. There's 2 steps. Okay, step number 1, go down to the description. You'll find a link that takes you over to Tasty Trade's webpage where you can sign up for their email list. We do cherry bombs, usually 4 days a week, right? And you can sign up for that and other emails, and you'll get 5 emails a week just from the cherry bomb trades. Mondays are motivational, and then Tuesday through Friday are trade ideas with reasoning and all that stuff, and that's what we put on here. We offer alternatives here at this channel as well. Sometimes, right, maybe we'll turn like a strangle into a jade lizard or an iron condor. We'll explore alternative trades. It gives us an opportunity to test our theories and test our mechanics and become consistent traders. Step number 2 is to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell when you're ready, because that way you'll get notified when our videos are released and you can do these trades in your simulated trading portfolio as well. All right. Thank you so much for your time and your views and your likes. And until I see you next week, my friends, may the market be with you.